please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Alright y'all, today we are going to be sublimating tumblers, but we are going to be using heat shrink wrap. Okay, so that is what we're going to be doing. You see this cute Scooby-Doo, and y'all see I had to throw my little cartoon in there real quick on y'all. All right, y'all, let's get started. Let go. Okay, so these are the items I'm going to be using today. A 20-ounce skinny tumbler, my Chandler tool dual temperature heat gun. Now you see it hasn't been opened, so it's my first time. My Cricut heat tape, and then shrink wraps. This is actually from a place on Etsy. It's called Print Presso. At Etsy shop, PRINTPRESSO. That's where this is from. So my oyster or oyster, I don't know how to pronounce it. My oven. So this is what we'll be using today. And let's get started. I printed out 3 images. I don't know how many I'm going to do today, but these are the images that I'm going to be using. Very nostalgic is Scooby-Doo. I'm using A-Sub paper. Just in case people ask, I am printing out of Silhouette Business Edition. You can print out of the free edition as well. The images that I'm printing, they are all 9.375 in width and 8.187 in height for all of the images. Okay? Okay? So that's what I'm going to be using. I'm also going to clean this off with alcohol. So I have my alcohol, paper towel, okay, so here I'm just cleaning off the tumblers because you want to make sure with alcohol. So you want to make sure there isn't any lint or anything that can mess your image up. So you clean those off really, really good. And then here I am going to just measure, make sure I have everything correctly. I'm opening up my heat gun. I'm getting my gloves. Y'all see I got my pink gloves. I'm trimming the images, making sure they're okay, they're all set, so that when I put them on there, that they'll fit correctly. Then I'm rolling them up really, really tight. You can see my first tumbler video to see how I do it. That's why I'm fast forwarding it because I've already done this before. I'm making sure everything is tight and everything is good. And then I am using this heat gun for the first time, y'all. I actually really like it. I like the heat gun. So I'm just fast forwarding it with all of these. Later on, I'm going to show you how I did the glitter and the other image because I was like, I want to do some more. So anywho, yep, I'm just showing you how I do it. If you want to, you can slow it down, but watch my other video. I show you exactly how I do it that way. Here I'm just showing you the actual oven. I try to think of things people ask me questions of later on. So I try to show a lot of things. But here's the oven. That's my temperature thermostat I use in my oven. I have my oven on 400 degrees. And I leave them in there for 6 minutes. And I turn halfway through. Okay. So let's take it out and see how it turned out. Okay, you can see right now that it came through, so that's a very good sign. Now a good sign, now if you know me, you know I do tumblers, but I honestly have not done a tumbler in a long time, so I know I have to get my technique for my tops and bottoms down. I'm not even gonna hold y'all up. I do. And, ooh, it's hot. Ooh, wait, look at this color. Look at this color. Oh, sniggity snap. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what we got? What we got, y'all? Ooh, oh, wait, let's turn this because it's too dark. What am I? I need y'all to see these colors. Okay. Sis is happy if this can come off. Come on. Okay. Now, the colors are popping. Colors are popping. Okay? Seam is alright. It could be better. Top is cool. Especially when we put the top on it. It's okay. The bottom needs a little work. I gotta get my bottoms together. So, what happened was, when I was unveiling these, my camera was not recording. Okay? So it was hating on me. But these turned out super, super cute. The only thing is, so let me show you. Colors are popping. My seams could be better and my bottoms could be better. They're okay, but they could be better. Okay? Y'all know I keep it real. Seams are okay. Bottoms, I gotta fix that. So I have to work on my bottoms. I have not done a tumbler, like I said, full disclosure, in a very long time. I'm not even gonna lie. I've been really, really busy with shirts and other things, but these colors are popping. I just gotta work on my seams and my bottoms. But you know what? I like the shrink wrap method. I really like it. I didn't think I was gonna like it. I was so caught up on my tape method, but the shrink wrap method is popping. Actually, I like it a lot. I personally just have to work on my bottoms. That's something I have to work on. But other than that, look at this. You about to, ooh. And I would have got away with it if it wasn't for you meddling kids. But the colors are popping. It turned out super, super cute. Super, super good. So I give the shrink wrap method 2 thumbs up. I like it, y'all. I like it. So I'll be doing my own personal practice on that. When? Because I'm busy as I don't know what. I don't know. But baby, I like it. I think it's pretty cool. I like that method. I love Scooby-Doo. And yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to do 3 more tumblers. I'm going to do this pretty pink sparkly one. I got that from Sublimation J's. And then I'm going to do another Scooby-Doo with no bottoms. And my logo, my cartoon logo with white, my cartoon logo with the pink, and then that Scooby-Doo one. So I'm just showing you how I do that. Y'all know I'm always extra. I gotta do more, right? I was like, let me do something that I can't mess the bottoms up, because I was upset I messed them bottoms up. So y'all know I have to fix my mistakes. I have issues. So anywho, yeah, I'm just showing again how I'm doing it. Nothing major. Then we'll get to the finished products. Okay. Y'all, so here is the one that I did. That's not, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, y'all, it's hot, so be careful. I got these heat gloves. Yes, sir. Look at Fred. And I would have got away with it if it wasn't for you darn kids. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yay! Now I did this. I did that. Ooh, Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Where are you? Oh, yeah. This is the bind. And her arm was like that. The picture was like that. I wish I would have known that, but the picture was like that. So it's absolutely no mess ups on this one. Yeah. Perfect. perfect. This is perfect. I love it. Yeah, I wish I would have known her arm wasn't all that like that before I printed it out. I didn't even see it. But it's no mess ups. Yay! Woo-hoo. Scooby-Doo mania. I love it. And we just waiting on the last thing to come out. It's not Scooby-Doo, it's mine. But look at this. This is so good. I love it. Absolutely love it. Excuse all the clicking and excuse me chewing my gum like that. My bad. All right, it's 6 minutes. So I'm about to take it out. I do have a timer on my oven, but I just put it there because with the ring light, you can't see the time. So I'm gonna bring it out. I'll let it sit for a second. Let's see how. Ooh, it's hot. Make sure I'm in the frame. Ooh. Ooh, it's pretty. Okay, that's pretty. That's pretty. I'm gonna put it on white too. Okay, y'all see how dry I was? I had to put it on white so I can make sure I see the melanin popping and everything, y'all. It's pretty. The pink on pink. Gorgeous. See how everything's sparkling? So we see she coming through. I see her. I see her. There we go. Ooh-wee. Yes, yes, she's perfect. She's perfect. She's perfect. She's perfect. Ooh, ooh, look how pretty. Look how pretty that is. It's so pretty. Yes. So pretty. Ooh, it's so pretty. Yay. Okay, so this is just a close-up of the 2 tumblers that have my cartoon logo. It's not really a logo, but it's just like my cartoon on it. And yeah, so I just wanted to get you a close-up look of it. I did remove the background and add that little splash and Canva. That's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have not joined my Facebook group, Queen Dreamers, please make sure you go ahead and join that. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for everything. Go ahead and leave any comments, any suggestions, anything down below. I appreciate you guys for everything. And y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye. And remember, don't be afraid of the space between your dreams and reality. If you can dream it, you can make it so. Word to Belva Davis. And are you subscribed? Y'all know we on this road to 10,000 subscribers, right? 10K. We're at 6,184. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Share my video with some crafters, y'all. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.